Alright, so in today's video guys, pag-uusapan natin, we're going to talk about this upcoming and kaabang-abang na play-to-earn game na gawang Pinoy. So, this time maging proud naman tayo na gawang Pinoy itong projects na to. And na-cross-check ko na, na-double verify ko na, at masasabi ko sa inyo guys, hindi siya rug pull. Maniwala kayo sa akin. And ito, tawag doon na featured na siya sa Philippine Star, sa Manila Times. Makikita natin na ito ay mga reputable na mga blogging sites, mga news sites, 'di ba? They got featured sa ganitong klaseng mga websites, and I would say they are really serious kasi they're also seeking for the tax regulations for this one. They're planning everything for this game, 'di ba? And maganda to for you kasi unang-una, you can start for as low as $30, 'di ba? Pangalawa, may scholarship program sila. Pangatlo, pwede rin siyang free to play na play to earn, 'di ba? Yun nga lang, yung free to play na play to earn nila ay wala ka rin ma-earn. Pero if makakuha ka ng eggs nila for as low as $30, 1.5 lang, na ang original price niya is nasa nasa I think $45 or like 2,250. Yeah? Very beneficial yun. And bagong-bago ka lang pa lang kasi to. And of course, if you haven't subscribed to my channel guys, do not forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for the support. This is Crypto Addict here, back again with new content every single day as I promise. And tara, samahan nyo ako, tignan natin tong buong website na to. Okay, so yung game, pag-uusapan natin in the next video. So, gusto ko yung sorry. yung video na ito, pag-uusapan natin kung ano yung meron sa website, 'di ba? Ano yung credibility, sino yung mga taong behind this, ano yung roadmap, ano yung mga features na dapat malaman, 'di ba? So, gusto ko yung next video natin, full game na nilalaro natin para mapakita natin kung ano yung magandang strategies, paano yung dapat siya lalaruin, ano yung i-download, 'di ba? So, ayan, meron silang lore actually nandito sa kanilang official YouTube account ng Metadana. Alright? So, ano yung mga features inside this game, 'di ba? Una-una, free to play siya. So, ibig sabihin, you can test out the game para lang malaman mo kung paano siya lalaruin, 'di ba? So, you can try out the game for free. Siyempre, makakuha ka doon ng entry-level roosters na non-NFT, 'di ba? Tapos, bukod dito, maraming game mode sa loob ng game na to. Medyo, paulit-ulit, 'di ba? Pero, ayun, via arena, via adventure or town, papakita ko sa inyo guys, ayan, so, pakita ko sa inyo. So, ayan, may kita nyo guys, ito po ang kanilang tawag doon, account or website, or yung tawag doon yung beta test, 'di ba? So, I will be showing it in the later stages or in the next video rather, 'di ba? Pero ito 'yon, may adventure tayo, may arena tayo, meron tayo ito yung Rooster. Mukha siyang manok no, na online sabong, 'di ba? Mukha siyang manok na online sabong. And yeah, let's go back. Tawag doon, meron din silang breeding function. So ibig sabihin, if meron ka ng rooster, diba? Meron ka ng power to produce more, 'di ba? By breeding it with your other roosters as well. And syempre, another way for you to earn here is pwede mo ibenta yung rooster mo sa marketplace. Pwede mo siya ibenta, 'di ba? So, meron din silang smart contract guild manager. So, ibig sabihin, yung NFT mo, pwede mong ipahiram sa ibang tao. Or, ayun, meron ka rin nakukuhang gains kapag pinahiram mo yon, 'di ba? So, ang another term dito is scholarship. So, if meron kang taong kilala na sabihin natin wala silang pera, wala silang 1,500, which is very, very cheap at this moment, 'di ba? Pwede mo silang like, okay, sige, laruin mo tong rooster ko, 'di ba? Kung magkano yung kung magkano kikitain, sabihin natin 50-50 or 60% sa'yo to. Diba? So, itong smart contract, sa'yo mag-a-act as na parang i-make sure niya na nakahati yung earnings mo and nakahati yung earnings nung scholar mo. Diba? So, a scholarship, diba? So, I'm very happy kasi they are, or like people are already implementing scholarship as a way for those people na wala talagang money to start, na to earn money din so that a lot of people will be beneficial as well. Diba? Another one is meron din silang land expansion. So if you are an investor or you want to buy like a certain land na ayaw mo maglaro pero gusto mo kumita ng passive income kasi you know crypto very well, 'di ba? You can definitely go sa land expansion and expedition, 'di ba? So also if as being mentioned, 'di ba, there's also a chance for you to find treasures sa expedition and land expansion. So, very awesome. So, ito sinasabi sa inyo yung scholarship management wherein tawag doon ay yung smart contract na yung bahala maghati kung magkano yung percentage sa'yo, magkano yung percentage sa manager or sa scholar, and syempre, it prevents din yung security ng ibang scholars kasi 'di ba medyo uso sa Axie before yung yung may scholar sila, tapos ang nangyari, pinagpagura ng scholar, tapos hindi naman binigay ng manager yung share. Yung iba binablock pa. 'Di ba? So, very alarming din 'yon. So, that's why this is a good one kasi as much as possible, merong transparency na nangyayari. Na ibig sabihin, siya na yung bahala mag-distribute, gagawin mo na lang, i-claim mo na lang, or exchange mo na lang, bahala ka. 'Di ba? So, at least dito, safe na safe siya. 'Di ba? So, ang another options nila is ayun, onboard scholars easily, madali daw mag-onboard. Fair and automated, yun yung kakasabi ko, 'di ba? So, flexibility to NFT owners, so walang interest ng scholars, interest dito like makukuha or anything kasi una-una safe nga siya sa loob, 'di ba? And syempre, yun yung sinasabi ko, duration, quota, and reward ratio for each game mode, 'di ba? So, dito, as I shown kanina yung beta version, 'di ba? Meron arena mode, meron din adventure, meron din team battle, 'di ba? So, ito yung 3 modes for you to be able to make money inside, and also, yung ginagamit nilang in-game currency here is galonium, 'di ba? So, each rooster receives 5 daily galoniums to participate, 'di ba? So, majority daw ng rewards ay nandito po sa game mode na to. And also, ang isa pa niyan is adventure, 'di ba? So, dito, ibang in-game token naman yung ginagamit nila, which is quit, 'di ba? So, you can train your roosters dito using galonium, and merong 40 stages na you need to finish. And syempre, if you finish it, mas malakas siya. And syempre, another one is itong team battle or PvP na tinatawag. So, passive way to earn. So, pag sinabing passive way to earn, ibig sabihin, requires the use of a battle contract to participate for a specific time period. Diba? So, rewards and consolation prizes will be given out at the end of every battle. If, di ko lang sure dito kasi passive way to earn, maybe you will just put your roosters and then bahala na sila magpatayan doon. Diba? Maybe, and syempre parang tawag doon, more of like, attribute base itong team battle. So I have to confirm it in the next few days to come, 'di ba? So ito yung roadmap na pinag-uusapan natin. So quarter 1, 'di ba? Egg sale, yung sale rounds ng GWIT nila, and yung launch ng alpha game or alpha version ng Rooster Wars. Syempre sa quarter 2, yung play to earn function, and ma-launch na kagad nila yung scholarship smart contract. So, ibig sabihin, kapag na-activate na yung play to earn, tas na-launch na yung scholarship, maraming tao na yung pwedeng makapaglaro or humita dito. And this is what we're looking in every single play to earn games. Hindi lang yung nag-launch sila, pero ang tagal ng time frame that we're looking, 'di ba? Here, as I've shown to you, 'di ba? Meron na nga actually na alpha version na pwede nyo na malaro, 'di ba? And yung launching ng scholarship, 'di ba? It will enable you na if kunwari ikaw nakakuha ka $30 lang yung eggs na pinambili mo, 'di ba? $30 lang siya, 'di ba? Kapag nag-scholarship ka and once na naubos yung 30,000, I think 30,000 ba yun yung eggs na yun. Once na naubos yun, 'di ba? Tapos $45 na siya. May head advantage ka na kagad, nakasave ka na ng 50%, 'di ba? So, also marketplace is launching after nito. Very important kasi NFTs, 'di ba? It should, I think mas maganda if you have an ability to sell din kasi NFTs nga siya, right? So, Quarter 3, land sale and world map and expedition mode, and Quarter 4, which is yung breeding na tinatawag. So, ibig sabihin, pwede ka magpalakas and magparami ka lang ng manok mo para once na nag-release na ng breeding, ayan, talagang talagang farm na yung magagawa mo dito, guys, right? And ayan, so sino nga ba yung team and partners behind this Rooster Wars? Let me just scroll it down here kasi hindi ko siya scroll down, 'di ba po? Pero ayan, ito yung teams and partners nila. So, Michael John Penalosa, so chairman and CEO of Rooster Wars and also Metadana. So, tawag dito, hindi lang to yung game na nila-launch nila. Actually, nakita ko somewhere here, right, that they are also going to launch other games like, saglit lang ha, Metazoan Chronicles, yan. And syempre yung Rooster Wars. So, isa lang to sa projects inside Metadana. And gawang Pinoy, 'di ba? Kagandahan nga nito, itong si Michael John, 'di ba? If makita mo, may LinkedIn yan, guys. Pwede mo yan puntahan, 'di ba? Wala tawag doon na transparent tayo. And makita mo rin dito na docs sila and they are willing to join the events like NFTs events, like play to earn events wherein tawag doon ma-showcase nila, o 'di ba? Na ma-prove din nila na how this NFTs work, 'di ba? How Rooster Wars work? How is it different from other play to earn games, 'di ba? So, syempre kasi nandito tayo sa portion na sobrang daming rug pull and we can change that fact, 'di ba? And the best way for you to prove your stand, your game is to just like proving, like being transparent, just being here, attending all the time, right? And yun yung ina-emphasize ko, to be honest. And makita natin, guys, yan, si Dexter, which is Dexter Plays PH. I guess kilala niyo yan si Dexter. Si Dexter kasi is more of maama siya, ama. So, ang dami niya na rin games na tawag doon, na review, ang dami na rin games na check. And isa siya sa part ng tawag na ng team na to. And nakita mo na marami silang partners dito sa baba. Actually, ayan. Wait. Nawala. So, yan. OpenAI, Rani the Games, Foul Play, I think ito sabong ang platform to eh. Tapos, Microsoft for Startups, na-approve din sila, guys. Diba? Polygon Studios, kasi sa Polygon siya. Polygon kasi siya. So, kagandahan sa Polygons, wala kang gas fees na babayaran, di ba? I mean, very minimal yung gas fees na babayaran mo, mabilis, di ba? So, puntahan natin how we'll be able to mint this game, or how we'll be able to mint pala an NFT rather, di ba? So, ito yung minting, di ba? So, kapag you scroll down to expert, actually you can take your time to read this one. I would recommend na you read this one if you're just starting out, but because I don't want to prolong this a lot more kasi 14 minutes na baka naboboring kayo or anything, 'di ba? So ito for as low as $30 siya. Ang original price niya is $45 as being mentioned here, 'di ba? So tawag doon kapag naubos po tong 10,000 or 30,000 na to this round, hindi na siya $30, $45 na siya. So ito, ang maximum mint per account is 10. So, for you to be able to if gusto mo talaga mang-whale, I suggest you na mag-open ka ng another Polygon account, tapos mag-mint ka ulit doon ng 10, di ba? very simple, 'di ba? You can mint as much as you want, 'di ba? Pero ayun, kagandahan talaga nito is I fully support Filipino projects na very matibay in terms of like yung tawag doon yung team, and also sino yung partners behind it. Pangatlo, sino yung mga taong involved, like sabihin natin they've been with Philippine Star, Manila Bulletin, which is one of the biggest, diba, tinatawag. And ano yung mga future plans nila? And ano yung ginagawa? Very active sila, and that's why I like it. Diba? So, just connect your Polygon account, guys. So, I'm not able, I think, to... What's happening? I'm not able to, like, show, like, the MetaMask kasi I'm using a window capture. Diba? Pero just connect your wallet, your MetaMask wallet. Do not worry, it is safe. May kita mo nga dito yan no, connection is secure. Actually, di pala kita rin sa OBS. Pero this is everything that we need to know about Rooster Wires. I hope you like this one. Siyempre, again, pag-uusapan natin paano siya lalaruin. Ano yung maganda strategies for you to do, 'di ba? Lalo na dun sa alpha testing nila. And I'm very thrilled and I'm excited to share it to you guys. Para siyempre, lahat ng tao makakapasok dito ng early, and if they live into their promise, syempre paldo tayo lahat kasi we've already nakapasok tayo in the very very cheapest price as much as possible, diba? So it gives us an head advantage, absolutely. So this is everything that you need to know again for Rooster Wires. Of course, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, this is Crypto Addict here, guys, back again with new content every single day, and see you on the next video. Peace out.